Okay, the last tutorial got us up to a parking orbit, low Earth parking orbit, and the idea being we're going to come around and do a prograde burn approximately at this point. But instead of just trying to estimate it, we're going to do a maneuver. First of all, let's take a look at the view for escape plan, and it shows that we have the need of 3,795 meters per second again at that point. On the right side, let's go forward, take a look at our plan, and forward again. You can see we're actually going to Mars. So let's back up here. What we want to do is a maneuver. So I'm going to click View, Maneuver, plus sign for On, and I'm going to add what we wanted, which was 3,795. Oops. We'll get it. This is just to approximate. Now, we'll hit the date, and we're going to swing it around to try and lay that as close as we can right on it. But you notice nothing's happening on the right side, and that the maneuver is not showing up. Normally it would, but it's not because it's prioritizing the plan that we have. Now we know we've got a maneuver that's approximate, at least approximating the velocity, but let's do this. We now go to our eject plan. We're going to go through all the variables and we're going to kill them. And reset that one. Now we've taken away all the variables, and look what happened. The green line that shows up here is what would happen if we did the maneuver that we've just set up. So basically the whole process of setting up an eject plan was to get us to approximate a parking orbit that with a suggested velocity to give us the ability to set up a maneuver. It may seem the long way around, but it's much more accurate to do it this way. So let's go back, and we're going to just play with our velocity a tiny bit. We know that currently it's showing that we're missing Mars, that we're at 1.257 gigameters. Play with velocity up and down. Let's try a different amount. That's plus is making it larger, so we're going to go smaller. And we've got it up to now 50, 47, 43, 41. We're looking at